Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to switch your Instagram account from a business profile to a personal one. Maybe you are just looking to simplify things or you no longer need the business features. Either way, we have got you covered. Let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap on to the profile icon. Now here you can see the option of edit profile. Now tap on it. Scroll down and go ahead and tap on to the category option. Here you can see the account was in the clothing brand option. Now you can choose anything that you want to make it personal. After choosing one thing, simply tap on to done. And that's it. Your account is now switched from business to personal. Don't worry, you can always switch back to a business profile later if you decide you want the business features again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.